guy was bad anyways. Is anybody bringing one aircraft in? Okay, he's got a CJ. Perfect. Just bait him into the Patriots, man. That's all you gotta do.
Hit the gas, driver! Hit it! Copy. Relocating.
Oh, yeah, bait him in, bait him in.
Fast landing assistance. What can I do for you? Already there. Roger. We're Oscar Mike. Radar activated. Looking for contact.
Got one.
Nice.
Then we sell that one. And we fast move the other one.
Oh, shit. He's back.
Your pack is stationary back in the middle of the plane up. What's your CJ Howitzer?
Rip.
Just did.
Drop him, drop him, drop him. Yeah. Did it.
Jesus, dude, what?
What?
This Su-35 just outran my pack missiles.
They'll do that.
He doesn't have afterburners on, does he? I can't tell.
Venom reporting in. All the dopes on the ropes. RTB.
Can I try to get some recon up in here?
They're in A already.
Armored transport ready.
And I'll send the pilot to go cop F.
Snipers standing by. Perfect spot for sniping.
And they're in D already.
Scout team here. Go ahead. All ass! Establish a base of fire in that building. All right, no bang bang unless fired upon. Troop
Oh,
transport reporting in.
this. Who's Trident?
Roger, moving out.
That guy's just gonna fucking fly over and take.
Metal to
that.
the metal.
Okay. Oh. Oh shit.
What you got going on here?
The higher they fly, the further they fall.
I'll be able to shoot that.
Last that fucking
Armored
guy.
transport reporting in. Moving to shooting position. Someone call for a cab? Roger.
They got the toe in that
Personal carrier
church
here.
right there.
Roger.
Yeah.
Moving to next waypoint.
Getting my Iron Thunder up.
Proceeding to next base of fire. Moving there now.
The fucking.
Everyone,
Oh
dismount.
my god. What the fuck? That
Moving
thing's
out.
cooked.
I'm going to kill him. Cool.
Troop transport, standing by. Good copy. Next waypoint received. Copy. Relocating. Regroup and move up. Someone asked for a ride?
Yeah, you fucked up.
Vehicle heavily damaged. Need medical carrier under fire. Raiders engaged in combat. Check a leg.
Helicopter.
Yeah, my stingers.
Stingers back
Yeah.
there too.
Yeah.
Glory, go!
Doing no damage. Hey.
Get your asses out of my vehicle. Personal carrier ready.
Head back in.
Moving out.
Pick up this fucking. Pick up this dude.
Metal to the metal. Copy. We take that building. Ain't nothing gonna get in
Shit,
our
you
way.
just kept going there.
Good copy.
trying to put pressure on
Waypoint
him.
received. Already there. On ass. We're moving. U.S. Marines ready for duty. Troop transport ready.
Seat is on.
Heavy cab ready to rumble. Roger. Moving out.
Oh, that didn't work. Okay. We've got AT
Armored
right here.
transport standing by. Moving to rally point. Air defense here.
More seed.
Air defense at your disposal, sir. Ready to rain down death. Artillery moving out.
It nails this.
Direct
Oh,
fire
I'm
engagement.
gonna help on D.
Roger. Moving to next waypoint. No party without Artie. Roger. We're on the move. Roger. We're Oscar Mike. Moving there now. Hey, check out this rooster cruiser they gave me. Here, beans, bullets, and band-aids.
Oh, yeah, grenade launcher.
Armored
There.
transport engaged in combat. What are you waiting for? Drive! Hit it! Need a helicopter down? Personal carrier here. Personal carrier engaged in combat.
That's not good.
Keep driving. Get us the
Let's see
fuck
if I
out
can
of
scoot
here.
on out of here. I'll leave my Marines behind.
Transport here. We're engaged. Get in
Uh-oh.
that building. Move the fuck out. Full speed. Don't stay here. Drive. Heavy cab is on the field. Bigger team here. Slow is smooth. Smooth is fast. On the move. Stealth mode. Copy. We're moving in silence. Not a sound.
Heavy lift ready. Stallion copies.
Anti-aircraft here. At your command. Artillery at your command, sir. Engaging targets with direct fire. Shut up and let's go. Check that building. M1 Abrams, warmed up and ready to go. Keep running! Get your gear, we're moving out! Rock up, we're moving!
Did I get him with that?
Mobile
Yeah.
artillery standing by. Artillery ready to
Oh,
fire,
somebody
sir.
just cruise missile
Marines
you.
here, we're in combat!
Didn't even phase me.
Take that building! Anti-tank here. Troop transport reporting in. Armored transport ready.
Oh, I got that there.
Armored transport reporting in.
I'm moving this other AAV up here. Oh, they got people in that building. I'm gonna already that building.
Mobile artillery ready. Send mission. Direct fire on my mark. Relocating to the next emplacement. Pedal to the metal. Stinger team at your
Alright,
command.
some
sir.
stingers up.
Heavy armor is ready to rumble. Armored moving out.
If my short head can kill it.
Infiltration underway. Someone called for a cab? Roger. We're Oscar Mike. Good copy. Next waypoint received. Roger. We're on the move.
Nice, I killed him.
Roger. Moving to next waypoint. Already there. Hit the gas!
I'm chasing him
Engaging the
down.
enemy! Heavy cab. Ready to roll. Rolling.
Uh-oh.
Artillery available, sir. Departing. Artillery on the move. Troop transport ready. U.S. Marine, hoorah!
push your tank up on the right or left there?
Yeah, they pushed some vehicle over here, so they got something behind our back lines.
Oh, they got shit all over the place, don't they?
Copy. Relocating. Bring us there in 10 seconds. Not 10 fucking transport. Standing by. Heavy armor is on the field. Armor transport. Standing by. Roger. Moving out. Moving out. Mobile artillery ready. Send mission. Artillery relocating. Target marked. Direct fire. Artillery ready to fire, sir.
Marine Raiders, we are engaged. Clear that building.
Killed the tank.
God, they have so much fucking
My ghosts.
hornets up.
Someone
Good
call for a
God.
cab? Ride's here, ladies. Roger. We're on the move. Troop transport
There's a
reporting
bit more
in.
right here.
No
Really just
party without
spamming
hardy.
hornets.
Moving.
Get up another fucking Iron Thunder. Try and dig him out.
Moving quietly.
Good copy. Next waypoint received. Personal carrier ready. All bullet catchers, disembark. All walking sandbags, jump out.
Scout team standing by.
Artillery available, sir. Providing direct fire. Mobile artillery standing by.
Sniper team standing by.
Abrams here. We're combat ready. Driver, move forward. Make way.
Oh my God, this guy's right here.
Artillery at your command, sir.
Marine Raiders, always forward. Marines at your orders, sir.
Heavy cavalry ready for action. Moving to shooting position. Air defense ready for action. Radar turned off. They can't know we're here. Let's dump that. Smoke screen deployed. What are you waiting
One
for?
missile from the
Drive!
tour. That's crazy.
Get those tracks moving. Armored transport ready. Pedal to the metal. Radar turned on. Looking for contacts.
Oh, they got a big tank push coming on over there.
Heavy armor in combat.
No! Oh, I did the smoke, but I didn't do it.
Someone asked for a
Yeah, I
ride?
see that. I got some infantry in the town.
Get
so-
out in 10 seconds! Not 10 fucking minutes! Personal carrier here! Good copy. Next waypoint received.
I'm more concerned about this stuff in the water.
Moving
out
there
here.
now.
We got another tank coming up. Trying to stop all that.
Moving as ordered. Already there. Roger. We're Oscar Mike. Armored transport reporting in. Troop transport ready. Someone asked for a ride? Everybody out.
Scouts here.
Transport engaged in combat. Unasked, everybody.
shit in our back line here.
Okay.
Where? Oh, in those fucking marsh area.
M1 Abrams ready for action.
Nice.
I love big guns.
Personal carrier
We
here.
got full caps there.
Marines under fire!
Getting up another pack since they destroyed the last one.
Personal carrier ready.
Got helicopters coming out to the left side to try and help.
Relocating.
Let's
Need some heavy firepower? Marines, at your orders, sir!
Someone call for a cab?
Oh, nice. It's like I hope that tank doesn't get away.
Armored transport, standing by.
Recon team reporting in.
Another tank should be arriving soon.
Abrams, ready to roll.
Marines! Move your ashes, maggots! AT specialists at your disposal. Squad, move out! Look alive!
Hey, they gave me some supplies over here. That's nice of them.
Excellent.
Troop transport reporting in. Roger, moving to next waypoint.
Get your asses into that vehicle! U.S. Marine, hoorah! Marine Raiders, at your command.
Roger, we're on the move.
Hunters of gunmen here.
They got tanks coming down the road
Welcome
here.
to the missile age, choppers!
Armored transport reporting in. Get your asses out of my vehicle.
We have a building to secure!
Heavy cab, ready to roll. Heavy cab is on the field. M1 Abrams ready for action. Ready to rain down death. Troop transport, standing by. Copy, relocating. Moving out. Roger, moving out. Already there. Armored transport.
Yeah, draw him
ready.
into this forest.
Moving there now. Mobile artillery standing by.
Got stuff going on back there.
Driving to coordinates. Roger, moving to next waypoint. Anti-aircraft standing by.
Digger team, standing by. Get your gear, we're moving out!
We got a tank pulling up on us if you want to drop your dudes.
Set up a base of fire!
Everyone, dismount. Don't stay here, drive. Pedal to the metal.
Orcon, engage the combat!
Personnel carrier in combat. Push it, full speed.
Check a leg!
Personnel carrier ready.
Tiger team, at your orders, sir.
Personnel carrier here.
Kill the tank!
Switch to position! What are your orders? Engage the combat! Go, go, go!
Troop transport reporting in. Good copy. Next waypoint received. Roger, we're Oscar Mike. Moving out. Copy. Relocating. Good copy. Next waypoint received.
Marine Raiders, we're in combat! Anti-armor at your command, sir.
Pedal to the metal. Armored transport under fire. Regroup and move up. Personnel carrier in.
Raiders in combat! Heavy weapons ready. On our way.
Move the fuck out! Full speed!
Go, go, go!
Alright, well, that was pretty good.
Yeah. I'm gonna bring up some supplies for that area.
U.S. Marine, hoorah! Hold this position! Roger. Time for a walk.
Troop transport ready.
I got the shot off.
team standing by.
Keep retreating.
Heavy armor is on the field. Solid copy. Moving out.
I got some infantry in that tree line there.
Heavy tank here.
Okay.
Heavy cavalry ready for action.
Hoorah! Stay frosty.
Armor transport standing by.
Oh,
Cargo drop. Watch your heads.
so good.
All hands! Move the fuck up!
Ah! Stop,
Troop
stop.
transport,
No, wait,
standing
we
by.
don't stop. Just go back to
everybody.
base. Psycho.
Weapons team at your command, sir. AT specialist here. Go ahead. Anti-tank unit here, sir.
Give me a target.
Let's hide in there. Anti-aircraft specialist ready.
No, I still
Get
have
your
to.
asses in that building. Get the fuck up. Move. Move your asses, maggots.
Armor transport reporting in.
Foregun here. Rock up. We're moving. Marines in combat. Awaiting command. Raiders standing by. Check that building. We're not afraid of the distance.
Heavy cap ready to rumble.
Oh, please, the missing is just in time for this.
Oh my god, I got a bunch of shot in the middle. Big push, big push.
Yep.
Blast
Marines are
blast
holding.
him.
Oh
Get a
shit!
longbow, get him, bro! Yeah!
I want a base of fire in that building.
That's what
Fuck that
Marines
guy
are
up
good
too.
at. They're good at dying, man.
Raiders here.
Get out of there.
Popping smoke.
No!
Making
They
entry.
fucking killed my boy.
Get in that building.
Bastards.
Heavy cap engaged in combat.
We're the tip of the spear. Snipers here. Let's hide in that building. Sneaking inside.
Oh shit!
Move in. Clear that building. Breach and clear.
Armor is rolling out.
Cruise missiles incoming.
Armor moving out.
That's not good. Okay, never mind. Let's bring it.
Aw, they killed my cat
Combat
too.
ready. Armor transport reporting in.
Fucking assholes!
Check that building.
Artillery available, sir.
Are you excalibering that? I'm gonna hit that with Iron Thunder.
Okay, just tell me when you're ready. I'm gonna tell my guy to hold fire and we can fire at the same
Heavy
time.
armor is ready to rumble.
I'm ready.
Artillery at your command, sir.
No, like, tell me when you're
Oh,
like,
okay.
yeah.
Inland neighbor.
I'm watching your thing, so you can just keep them off full fire.
Artillery reporting in.
I'm ready.
And fire.
Fire when ready.
Ho ho ho! Get his ass! Get his ass!
Helis in the middle.
Sniper team standing by.
You can't laser that other one. You get close. It's not doing any damage. You stop firing.
Heavy armor is ready to rumble.
Got
Anti-aircraft
trans on the
here.
left.
Fast landing assistance. What can I do for you? Driver, move forward.
We got Hornet for that. I'm just gonna hit that area. He's obviously rearming there.
Mobile artillery ready. Send mission.
Fancy finding you in here.
Heavy cab, ready to roll. Driver, move out.
Heavy weapons here.
Personal carrier ready. Roger, moving out. Call for a cab. Someone call for a cab? Moving out. Metal to the metal.
Snipers ready. Sneaking in.
Heavy cav is on the field.
Home sweet home.
That was rude.
I know, right?
Not worth it though.
He didn't really kill a whole lot.
Air defense, standing by.
They got mortars.
No party without Artie.
See that.
U.S. Marines, ready for duty.
All fully catchers, disembark.
Marines at your command, sir.
Troop transport reporting in.
Shut up and let's go. On ass, we're moving.
Yeah, fuck your shit up.
Rock up, we're moving. Weapons team engaged. What are your orders? Weapons team in combat.
Run.
Wait command. Marines engaged in combat. Fucking move.
Roger. Moving to next waypoint.
Landing assistance team, what can I do for you?
Troop transport, standing by.
Keep moving.
Roger. We're on the move.
Move. Watch your spacing. Anti-aircraft team is under fire.
Already there.
Marines in combat. What are your
All right,
orders?
mount up, boys. Time to leave.
Engaged in combat. Hit it! Troop transport taking fire. Keep driving. Popping smoke. Get us the fuck out of here! What are you waiting for? Drive!
U.S. Marines.
Oh, that is a cluster munition.
Move the fuck
Did not
out.
say cluster.
Yeah, get him. Cole.
Marines at your
Run,
orders, sir.
run.
Get your asses in that building.
Snipers here. Infiltrating.
M1 Abrams ready for action. Solid copy. Moving out. Air defense here.
Give me a target.
Air defense here. We're combat ready. We're on the move. Ready to rain down death. Roger. Moving to next waypoint. Moving to shooting position.
Raider, hoorah.
Good copy. Next waypoint received.
I killed him.
Marines taking fire.
Air defense, standing by. Friendly fighting vehicle reporting in. Copy. Relocating. Gunner, take them out. Driving to coordinates. Bring us there in 10 seconds, not 10 fucking minutes. Make way. Roger. Moving to next waypoint.
Move your fucking asses. Move to this building.
Abrams here. We're combat ready. Personal carrier here.
Run as fast
Oh,
as
there's
you
a
can.
helicopter over here. There it is.
Move backwards. Moving there now. All walking sandbags. Jump out. Heavy cap ready to rumble.
Marine Raiders, standing
Little
by.
AMPV honing.
Armored transport standing by.
Oh, they still got someone in there.
Armored transport ready.
Where?
Raiders here.
In that
Set
tree line,
traffic.
I think. Didn't they hit you with the grenade?
Oh, they've got a Spetsnaz over there.
Heavy armor is on the field. Heavy
DMV.
cavalry ready for action. Rolling.
I can shoot those
Bradley ready for
crossnets.
action. Abrams ready to roll. Driver move back. Driver reverse.
Howitzer, what's your info there?
It's okay.
What's that?
That's
Mobile artillery ready. Send mission.
Cole, never mind.
Artillery moving out.
Yeah.
What I can do for
That
though,
ping over here is AA if you want to target it
Mobile
with your Iron
artillery
Thunder with me.
reporting in.
Okay.
Direct fire.
Just
on
tell me
my
when you're
mark.
ready. Well, they also got shit there too. No, we'll kill that.
Get it. Get it.
Artillery ready to fire, sir. Engaging targets with direct fire.
Are you gonna shoot this thing with me?
Artillery, hold your fire.
Oh yeah, I can.
Start
Sure.
targeting it now. Oh,
helicopters get shot down on the way
no,
in.
you're just gonna kill it like that. firing.
Okay. Oh, big push down the road.
Troop transport ready. Get out in 10 seconds. Roger. We're on the move. Moving. Moving out. Pedal to the metal.
Oh shit, cruise missiles!
Carrier here. Someone after a
Oh, they
ride?
killed my tank.
Raiders here. Go ahead.
Crazy because I had my AA on and it didn't do
Anti-armor
anything.
here.
Oh shit, we're out of supplies.
Armored transport engaged in combat.
Yes, I did. Oh, he didn't kill anything.
Oh, sweet.
Mobile artillery
Yeah.
standing by. Artillery at your command, sir.
Marine Raiders engaged in combat. Marine Raiders, we are engaged. Weapons team here.
I'm
Roger.
gonna
Oscar
fucking
Mike.
team kill myself here. Oops.
Heavy cab ready to rumble.
Okay. I got suicided for that.
Combat. Awaiting commands. Moving through. All hands.
Is that seed in there? Yeah. Or something? Those are cruise missiles? Okay.
Copy. Hold in that position.
I just need supplies.
Troop transport
I know.
standing by.
I'm bringing in a heli right now. There's a tank disabled right here.
Is there?
Yeah.
Standing by.
I got it.
Here, we're combat ready. Abrams here. We're in combat. Backwards.
Oh, did I not kill it?
Double dogs here. Roger. Charlie Mike.
You need something lifted? Unload coordinates received. Flying NOE.
Marines in combat. What are your orders? Throwing smoke. Move, move, move.
Oh shit.
Abrams engaged in combat.
They're hurting my tank.
Pedal to the metal, driver.
Bastards.
Air defense at your disposal, sir. Roger. Moving out.
Heading to bar.
Anti-tank ready for action. Get in that building. Anti-armor standing by. Anti-tank team at your orders. You like big guns too? Raiders, always forward. Weapons team under fire, requesting orders. Marines at your command, sir. Once a Marine, always a Marine. Anti-tank team standing by. Marine Raiders at your command. Copy, we take that building. Run as fast as you can!
Air defense ready for action. Artillery available, sir. Heavy cavalry ready for action. Roger, we're Oscar Mike. Roger, we're on the move.
Howizer's pushing up into their spot. Nice.
I was chasing their artillery all over the fucking place.
Marines!
Armored transport ready. Copy. Relocating.
Look at this little fucking guy right there.
Anti-armor at your command, sir. Regroup and move up! Get in that building! Set up a base of fire! Establish a base of fire in that building!
War is hell, and we're its direct
Lots of stuff here. Why does my Shorad like never pay attention to what I tell it to do? Like reverse and it just doesn't reverse. Really, really cool.
Target marked, direct fire!
Need a rifle. Copy. Infiltrating. We move in silence. Double target.
Cole, watch this alligator in the back. Boop! I got it.
How do you snipe it?
This fast.
Departing.
They just love sending shit right down that main road in the middle.
Yeah,
Fire
it's
director
pretty nice.
reporting in.
Although, my set
Moving
might
as
just run
ordered.
itself now. Run, set, run.
Heavy armor is on the field. ROE
Careful, we
restricted.
don't have any A over
Retaliate
here.
only.
Cole.
Anti-aircraft team
Over where?
standing by.
On the left?
On the left, that Mi-28's gonna kill your M90. Tim, just stop
No,
firing!
it's okay. No, it's okay. I want him to fire.
Anti-tank here. We're in combat.
Armored transport reporting in. Troop transport reporting in.
Let's get in this fight.
Everybody
Why is
out.
that able to spawn myself?
Good copy.
That fucking
Next
alligator.
waypoint received.
Yes.
Get out in 10
Yeah,
seconds.
he's Shorad on the right.
Get a minute.
Oh, never mind. That's what's happening.
Team ready. Double dogs here.
My Venom tanked his shots.
Shut your crow can here and move out. Heavy weapons team under fire. Open fire.
That Charlie Berry
Team
beat.
in combat. Send your orders.
Yeah,
Boys
he's
out.
fucking.
Move your asses. Marines in combat. Send your
Thought there was
orders.
another prepared goal on the left. Oh shit.
Oh,
Heavy armor here. We're in combat.
Heavy cav is on the field.
I get out of
Metal
pack.
to the metal. All walking sandbags. Jump out.
Thank God they haven't seen our
Artillery
supplies
at your
back
command,
here.
sir.
They bombed it one time.
Direct fire again.
Ow! Good thing I got my tank on the main right now.
Ready to rumble.
Yeah, me too.
Full stop. Heavy cav. Ready to roll.
Come on, disable him.
Marines taking fire.
Oh,
M1 Abrams warmed up and ready to go.
where one Marine died, two more take his place.
That's right.
Marching keeps us fit.
All trench monkeys, dismount. Need supplies?
Nope, they got a big push on the left here.
Bradley, ready for combat.
Oh,
Bradley fighting
hello.
vehicle, standing
Oh,
by.
We're the AA team. Move your asses, maggots.
M1 Abrams ready for action.
Can I get a heli over here or something?
Ain't nothing gonna get in our way.
On the double squad.
Plane, that works too.
New bearing set.
Get us the fuck out of here!
Joint strike fighter at your command, sir. Roger, flying there.
Heavy cav ready to rumble.
Hopefully I can mop that up.
Solid
Let's see.
copy. Moving out.
Oh, he's gonna bomb! No!
Sir,
Oh, tragedy. My anti-aircraft didn't fire nothing.
engage.
They finally killed all my AA.
Oh shit. Okay, so
Logistics ready.
Killed all my artillery.
10-4, we're
about
moving.
time. They're trying to do a last second hoorah push, but they waited way too long to try it.
AA team under fire. Anti-tank here.
AT rifle. We need Shorad in the middle.
Yep. My AA's out of
What can I do
ammo.
for you? They won't see
Watch your
me
step in the
coming.
middle.
Target locked. Engaging.
Two for covers, go. Kill it.
Flight truck.
Watch your trophy in the middle.
Anti-tank ready for
Watch your
action.
trophy in the middle.
Yeah. My
I
hero.
won. Feels bad. They killed all my stuff in the back line.
We'll go.
Rip.
Oh no, what am I gonna do?
Kill that fucking thing. Yes. Okay. Fucking free.
You gotta start spamming FAPs.
Heavy cab, ready to roll.
And short.
What? Okay, my fucking. I'm loving my Cobra. Is another Cobra die?
Proceeding to the next
Do
base
you
of
need
fire.
supplies anywhere in particular?
10, Roger. We're rolling. Unloading.
Oh,
Hello.
We're the tip
free
of the
supplies.
spear. Flying a walk in the
C14.
park. Marine Raiders, always forward.
I would be careful getting close to
Oh,
that
what a
supplies.
load of crap.
Roger, Charlie Mike. Stand by. Raiders, hoorah! Press on!
Heavy cavalry ready for action. Rolling.
Raiders here, go ahead. Marching keeps us fit.
What?
We're
How
not
am I
afraid of the
being shot from
distance.
that side?
Marine Raiders, we're in combat.
I'll stall them
En
with
route
my
to target
Marine Raiders.
location.
Oh, I can't stall that much.
Position.
Wait, I got already.
Providing direct fire. No party without Artie. Heavy cav is on the field. Heavy armor is on the field.
Anti-aircraft team standing by.
AA in that building right there.
Ready to rain down death.
Digger team here. We have a building to secure.
I got helis coming your way.
Mobile artillery ready. Send mission.
Check.
Friendly fighting vehicle. It's your orders.
Uh-oh.
That's gonna hurt.
Artillery
Oh.
ready to fire, sir.
Oh, leave that alone. Hello, I just got there. That's so mean.
My Iron Thunder's just
Mobile
fired from
artillery
right there.
reporting in. Abrams here. We're combat ready. Bring us there in 10 seconds, not 10 fucking minutes. Roger. Moving out.
2 minutes. What are they gonna spam last?
They've got AA in this building. You want to hit it?
Yeah.
Mobile artillery standing by.
Actually, my Iron Thunder's already.
Mobile
they're
artillery
respawning.
reporting in. Heavy armor is ready to rumble.
Hit it with your
Make way.
Abrams right there. You know how
I
to
do.
just force fire it.
Yeah, I'm not close enough.
Rain down suppressive fire. I want all firepower on that position.
Oh my god. Oh, both of those have things in them.
M1 Abrams warmed up and ready to go. Moving to shooting position. Armor is rolling out. Driver, move forward. Heavy armor is ready to rumble. Heavy cav is on the field. Driver, move out. M1 Abrams ready for action. Driver, move forward.
T-15's on the right.
Heavy cav in combat.
Yep.
Full stop, driver. Armor moving out. Rolling. Solid
Watch, I
copy.
just took a
Moving
shot
out.
from this.
Ready to rain down death.
Yeah, nothing I can do about that. No more smokes. Shillelaghs into the side. Shillelaghs into the side.
Move out.
They didn't do anything.
Oh my god.
Lead me, follow me, or get out of my way. Hit the gas, driver. Hit it.
Get him! Get his ass!
Driver, move out. Full throttle. Heavy armor is on the field.
Oh my god, our teammate on the left just got fucked.
Moving to shooting position. Heavy cav engaged. Move the fuck out, driver. Full speed. Solid copy. Moving out.
Hey, my paladins are back. I think it's game over.
That's pretty good. We did pretty good.
That was pretty easy.
Oh, look at us. Look at us. We're absolute kings here.
Everyone on our team was positive, KD. That
Oh,
feels
Jesus
great.
Christ. You got enough medals? Fucking.
Good lord.
Holy fuck.
I had like no losses. I was just losing my tanks left and right. I didn't
Yeah,
fucking care.
you were bearing the brunt of that suicide everything down the main road push, so.
That's fine. That's what those cheapo tanks are for, man. They're just there to
I just kept
absorb
running
damage.
Marines into that tree line to get first eyes.
I'll be a beat.
Oh, these bookers definitely got their fucking money's worth. She.